Well, you start going, dude, what are we spending all this time on solar for? I mean, that just fixes everything. However, it doesn't really, right? It's
Hmm.
all the above are needed. And I don't want to go too deep into the weeds on how nuclear energy works. Decentralized, smaller reactor nuclear energy is fixing a huge problem for our society and potentially energy at the global scale, but it doesn't solve for everything. And one of the things that he brings up is like batteries are great, but they're not great at moving energy. They're heavy, they're big. I mean, the energy density is is not that great. Energy per weight or per square foot um, compared to other things. So, for instance, if we're going to launch a rocket into space, we're not using batteries. I mean, we're still using fluorocarbons, right? Or whatever. And it's still some form of fuel. And nuclear can help generate the energy to generate that fuel, which is the most portable and energy dense per weight. And so, is there a way to create clean carbon based fuel with nuclear, as well as fortify the grid and do all the things that we think that a decentralized power source would do? However, when you look at a building, an existing building, there's not much better than current battery technology being dropped into a parking spot on that site that can do all this wonderful things for the grid and for that site. So I think we have to, as a community, as a society, as people in the energy space, really remember it's all the above.